In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Google or Gmail verification code not received problem. If you are trying to sign in to your Google account or recover it, but you are not receiving the verification code on your phone or email, stay with me. I'll walk you through the most common causes and the practical steps you can take to fix it. First, let's start with the basics. Make sure you actually have a stable internet connection. If your connection is weak or dropping, your email app or messaging app might not update in real time. Try turning airplane mode on and off, or briefly switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi. Once your connection is stable, try requesting the verification code again and wait at least a full minute before trying another option. Next, double-check where you expect to receive the code. If you chose text message or phone call, confirm that the phone number shown on Google's screen is correct and still active. Make sure your phone is turned on, has signal, and is not in Do Not Disturb mode that might block unknown numbers or silent calls. If you recently changed your number, the code may still be going to your old one, and you'll need to use a backup option such as a recovery email instead. If you selected email, open your email inbox and refresh it. Sometimes the code lands in a different folder. Check your spam, junk, promotions, or updates tabs. If you find Google's email there, mark it as not spam, so future codes arrive correctly. Also, make sure your mailbox is not full. If it is, delete a few old messages and request the code again. Now, make sure you're not requesting too many codes in a short period of time. Google may temporarily slow down or block additional attempts if it detects unusual activity. If you've requested several codes already, wait 10 to 15 minutes before trying again. During that time, avoid repeatedly clicking the Send Code Again button. On some devices, security or SMS blocking apps can silently filter verification messages. Open any SMS blocking, call filtering, or security apps you use, and check their blocked or filtered messages. If Google messages are being blocked, allow them and add Google as a trusted sender. If none of that works, look for an option like Try Another Way on the Google verification screen. There you might see backup methods such as a different email, a backup phone, Google Authenticator, or a sign-in prompt on another device where you're already logged in. Use whichever option you still have access to. Finally, if you are still unable to get the code, go to the official Google account recovery page and follow the guided steps as carefully and accurately as possible. Provide answers that match your usual login locations, devices, and recovery details. This increases the chances that Google can verify it is really you and help you regain access to your account.